5 Best Electric Drill. Here is the product number 5. TOVIA 12 volts 20 volts cordless drill. Brand name, TOVIA. Drill type, cordless drill. Usage, renovation team. Power source, battery. Item name, electric cordless drill. Chuck type, keyless. Application, drill wood, metal, stainless steel, ceramic. Usage, household, DIY, woodworking. Feature, work light, torque setting, 2-speed. Here is the product number 4. Press bench small electric drill machine. This mini drill press with 6 speed ranges. You can drill precise holes with this product and it is great for small and precise work. It is easier to use and more accurate than handheld drills. It is useful for jewelers, woodworkers, mechanics, hobbyists, home, workshop, arts and crafts. Gear drive without belt design, power strong. Power off switch for added safety. Here is the product number 3. Electric new engraving drill Dremel. Brand name, AMYAMY Pro. Drill type, mini drill. Usage, home DIY application, carving / grinding / sharpening / cutting / cleaning. No load speed, 35,000 revolutions per minute. Power source, AC style, variable output rate, engraver, polishing grinder, EU plug. Weight, 0.5 kilograms. Here is the product number 2. HILDA electric drill cordless screwdrive. Brand name, HILDA. Drill type, cordless drill. Usage, home DIY. Application, woodworking. Weight, 1.6 kg. Max. Drilling diameter, max. 35 mm in wood. Power source, battery. Screw tightening, 8 mm machine with screws / diameter 7. 1 mm length. Here is the product number 1. HILDA electric drill Dremel grinder. HILDA electric drill Dremel grinder engraving pen grinder mini drill electric rotary tool grinding machine Dremel accessories power tool. Power source, AC. Rated input power, 130 watts. Function, carving / grinding / sharpening / cutting / cleaning. Application, cleaning / grinding / carving / sharpening / cutting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.